Both strategies pay you up front, both are used by pros, but if you're asking which one is better, covered calls or cash secured puts, you're asking the right question. Today I'm going to compare them head to head and show you why, in most cases, covered calls give you an edge, especially if you're serious about income and you want capital flexibility. So let's go. This is a question I get a lot from a lot of investors, and it's a good question. And in case you're new, let's quickly define both of those strategies. First of all, a cash secured put, or a CSP, is you're going to sell a put option and set aside enough cash to buy the stock if you get assigned. That means if you have to buy the stock. If you're doing a covered call, you own the stock and you sell an option against it. Or as I call it, you own a base position and you sell an option against it. The base position could be a stock or it could be a deep in the money synthetic. Now, both strategies collect premium up front, and both can generate steady income. And both carry risk if the stock moves sharply. So you have to know what those risks are. Now let's compare some key points here. When you sell a put, you're promising to buy the stock if it drops below your strike price. That can feel like you're being forced into the stock at the worst possible moment. It's a mindset thing. Like, I don't want to buy the stock, but I'm being forced to buy it because I already agreed to it. Now, with covered calls, you're already in control. You choose your entry. You're generating income on your terms, and you're not hoping you don't get assigned like with cash secured puts. And psychologically, that's huge. Now, the next issue is capital efficiency, because cash secured puts tie up a lot of capital. You're parking cash for the chance to buy a stock you might not want even if it falls. And with covered calls, especially using synthetics, like synthetic covered calls or spreads, you can create income with far less capital. Now, a lot of people say, well, this is a stock that you want to own, so you sell puts against it, and then if it goes down, if you liked it at 100, you'll love it at 95. I'm not so sure that's so true. Now, to illustrate my point here, I've brought up an option chain on Apple, right? And here are calls and here are puts. So let's say that Apple right now at 210, we want to sell these 200s. So I'm an in-the-money guy. I like to start out with in-the-money calls, and people say, well, why don't you just sell a cash secured put? Well, I'll give you a couple of reasons. The first one is, take a look here. The extrinsic value, the juice, that's the income portion that we're going to get from this, is $3.59. That's pretty good on a $200 stock. It's about what, 1.5%. If you go all the way over here on the put side though, and you say, well, what's the extrinsic value? You'll see it's, quite a bit less. It's only $2.85, which is, about 1%. So for openers on this low volatility stock, you're getting less money as a cash secured put. Now, a lot of really smart people will say, well, wait a minute, Mark, you're just selling puts and you don't have to put out the money that you have to put when you buy a stock or a synthetic. Yeah, that's true, but you have to have that money set aside. So first of all, are you getting a good amount of interest while that money is set aside? And do you really want to commit that kind of capital just on the chance that you may get assigned this put? I'm not sure that's so true. Let's talk about the downside risk. Technically, both strategies expose you to downside risks. I mean, it's the stock market, right? But with cash secured puts, you're buying into weakness. Covered calls can help you exit more gracefully, reduce your cost basis, or they can hedge on the way down. Both generate income, but covered calls give you more consistent payout potential, especially when you know how to roll, how to manage your strike prices, or how to use leverage with synthetics. That said, cash secured puts, or CSPs, are not useless. If you want to own a stock at a lower price, they're a smart entry tool. In fact, that's why most people do them. Just don't fall into the trap of thinking that they're safer. They're not safer, they're just different, and they don't scale as well unless you have a lot of capital sitting around. So what's my verdict? If you're serious about monthly income, capital efficiency, staying in control of your trades, I think covered calls win, especially when combined with synthetic strategy like what we teach in the cash flow machine. Want to learn how to engineer income every week using covered calls, even if the stock goes sideways? Head over to cashflowmachine.io and check out our elite course, or subscribe here. We drop weekly strategies and real trade breakdowns so that you can build passive income with precision. What if you could lock in reliable income every month no matter what the market's doing? Most investors are gambling with their retirement, hoping things work out. But hope is not a strategy, and that's why I created the cash flow machine, a proven system that works in bull markets, bear markets, and everything in between. Join me live in Clearwater, Florida, September 26th through the 28th for a powerful 3-day event that will change the way you trade forever. It's called the Wealth Accelerator Live. It's 3 days to build your income machine and rewire your wealth mindset. Here's what I'm going to deliver to you. A personal trading plan that you can use right away. Mastery of the Juice Calculator to engineer smarter trades. Hands-on sessions with real traders showing real income strategies. Behind-the-scenes tools we never teach online. Now, you'll be in a room with serious investors, people just like you who are scaling income and wealth with this repeatable system. And we're keeping it small and intimate. Spots are very limited and we will sell out. Grab your early bird ticket today and let's build your income machine together. Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.